Hello my good friends, welcome to my other new video. And in this video I want to talk about failure, whether failure is the end of the life or the beginning of the way. Failure, failure, failure. All of the people of the world are terrified of the world that failure is the end of the road and whether false can no longer succeed. So I tell you my dear friends and companions, failure is the first way to success. Even if it reaches thousands of times, there is still a light behind it that will change your life when it wakes up. No matter how long the night is, there is still a sunshine that can fill the world with light. Everyone in the world wants to succeed, but why do so few succeed? Because there is 99% who will fail to achieve it. So not every human being has the heart and courage to move. They always get away with achieving their goals under the pretext that many of them say, I have a lot of work, I do not have time, I have a lot of children, it's not for me, I will fail, and they just make excuses that you should not be like that at all. Write down your biggest goals and move towards them with strength and motivation. Learn something new from each failure and continue on your way. Thomas Edison was the first to invent electricity, and he says, I did not fail, but I found 10,000 ways that do not lead me to results. Thomas Edison lost 10,000 and learned a new lesson from each defeat. He continued his way and enlightened the world. So are you not human? Yes, you are, but you have negative thoughts that you will not be able to progress. Make a firm decision right now and move on. The best is waiting for you and you can achieve any goal in life. How many times have you failed? Once, twice, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times? How many times have you failed? I say you have not failed more than 10 times. Many of you give up the first time you fail. I'm sure many people do. So forget the past and move with motivation, which I assure you agrees. Just keep trying and working hard. If you become a good teacher at what you want to agree on, you have to fail to become strong. And if you do not become strong, you will not reach the goal you have in mind at all. Every time you fail, you gain a new experience through which you could not reach your goals, and you have to change your way to achieve the goals you have in mind to achieve them. Keep in mind that every time you fail, you will fail as much as you can, and you can avenge all the same failures you suffer by achieving great success. My good friend, listen carefully to these sentences. You may be afraid that the goals I have in mind when I start them will be ridiculed by others. There are 90 to 95% that others make fun of you. So just smile at them and be moving in love. Be moving in the same goal that you have in mind and the goals that you are not achieving, so who can achieve them? Do not think what people are saying, because many of them are trying to hit you. They cannot do those things, and they will not give you with the negative thoughts that they have in their minds to achieve what you want. Charge yourself with motivational phrases like charging the battery and keep moving that nothing will change by wishing. Robert Kiyosaki says about failure, winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are afraid of losing. Failure is part of the success process. People who avoid failure also avoid success. Aren't you looking to win? If you are, then why were afraid I would fall? The harder you fall down on the ground, the stronger the reaction. You will achieve greater success. Unfortunately, many people are accustomed to achieving all their desires in one night, a week, or a month. But this natural sentence is impossible, and you only waste your time thinking about it. Time changes a lot of things. By trying, you will achieve all your goals. Do you listen to a lot of news, or you are full of negative people around you? If your answer is yes, then these 2 questions will lead you to failure, because negative news is like poison that you sprinkle on your brain. When you see them, you will fail. There are also toxic people who want to lead you to failure. Stay away from the negative news and negative people to make your failures a success. Negative people who are by your side and criticize you with all their might from their own point of view, so that you can look at your failures as a valuable experience. Do not listen to their words and grants and avoid contact with these people. There are people who are happy with your failures, but real friends are happy with your victories and encourage you to achieve the goals with your own encouragement. So it's better to use more positive thinking methods in your life than get the best flowers. So dear friends, before I say the last sentence to you, like the video right now so that the video will be published to more people. Subscribe the channel to see more videos and write your good comments in comment section. Always remember to turn your failures into your teacher, not the person in charge or bullying you.